Morning everyone, today is Saturday. Now I'm going to make a fruit cake, but I will do it in a muffin. Okay, the dry fruits, I rub it with the water, and then I soak it with the Chivas liquor. You can use also artificial rum flavor, or you can no need to use that also, okay, no problem about it. But if you do the real fruit cake, is you can make a nice fruit cake. So today is just a simple. Today I will put a lot of spices that you're going to use, like nutmeg, uh, the five powder spices. But me is I will put only cinnamon, okay, as the flavor. Okay, so start. Definitely this one is the butter. You know that the butter is should be soft and one, and this one is the powder sugar. Okay, the powder sugar, you can use a brown sugar also, can, you know, because brown sugar is good for this fruit cake. Another thing is the color. It will want the color of the cake, you know. Normally the fruit cake is brown, right? So uh, it will want the colors of the fruit cake, so you don't need a food coloring in that, you know. Normally you put the sugar with the butter, right, until one. But this one is I'm doing it in a handmade. Okay, handmade is the traditional one. Okay, okay, egg is done already inside. Then we put the flour one at a time. Okay, okay, this one is one of the last part of the flour. Okay, you see, that is the outcome. Okay, so you put this mix together with that cinnamon, then you add in inside. Okay, if you want more fruits, you can just add 50 grams on it, because this one is 200, and then I lesser, it's supposed to be 300, but I don't like a very fruity. So if you want to a lot of fruits, you can add more. Okay, and then normally I told you this is my last part that I have to put. This one is my baking powder. That is my last part. And don't worry about the liquor that you're going to add in on the fruits, just because when you bake it, it will evaporate. Only that the taste, have a bit of the taste, and that is one of the preservative, okay, for the fruit cakes. Okay, see you later if I will put it in the muffin cup. Okay, our mixed fruit muffin is done. Okay, yan o. Ano lang yan, 15 minutes kasi maliit siya. It took 15 minutes to bake it because it's a small one. Muffin. Okay. There. Bawon ko ito bukas sa ano na naman lunch natin tomorrow. Okay. Oh. Thank you for watching all my videos and shout out to all. Right? Have a fruitful weekend, everyone. Thank you. Bye.